Hi everyone, myself Ameer Hamza and I'm just a student who's made this tutorial to help others in understanding the basics of MS project. And before we begin, please keep the following things in consideration.
Let us start. Adding first deliverable or task. Changing scheduling from manual to auto. Now adding rest of the tasks which will be auto-scheduled. Adding the duration for tasks. Oops, don't forget to turn numlock on. You can add minutes, days, or even months. These durations are being self-assumed for learning purpose only. Adding new columns to our Gantt chart. Method 1. Click on Add New Column and select. Method 2. Right-click on any column and select Insert. Now let's insert new rows or deliverables in between. Right-click where Gantt chart is written and add resource sheet. Adding resource person names. You can change resource type to work or material or cost. Max work being put in can also be changed. Now assigning their hourly rates costs. The crew tells whether they are being paid in the start of project, in the end, or prorated according to working time. Base tells about their working schedule. Now, going back to Gantt charts to assign resource persons to tasks. Go to Resource tab on top and select Assign Resources. Select Resource and then click on Deliverable, then click on Assign. You can even add multiple resource persons. Adding column to view costs. Changing or adding new calendar. Assigning new calendar to tasks. Now, making a WBS. Firstly, view numbering for main and subtasks. Using outdent or indent function to make levels for WBS. Using outdent or indent function to make levels for WBS. Experiment with different levels. Go to Outlines to view specific levels. Let's add some colors for formatting. Adding predecessors to link tasks and make critical path. You can only relate subtasks to subtasks or main ones to main. Going to Formats for critical path. Adding variance to tasks. Set baseline first. Now let's make a change in dates to check variance. You can see the variance appearing. Going back to Entry Sheet 2, add Variance column. Viewing network diagram. Now visualizing a dashboard report for management purpose.